Okay. Now this problem is comes under the restricted assignments problem. One just now which we have seen is maximization assignment problem. This is restricted assignment problems. So rarely they have asked this, but not difficult. So just you need to understand. Now here what will happen? They will give some sale. Those sale we cannot allocate to anyone, kind of. That is the restriction, they will say. That's the restriction. So we'll directly go for the example, and you will come to know from the example itself what kind of problem it is, whether it is restricted problem or a normal assignment problem. Okay. So let us say these are the machines M1, M2, M3 and M4. Okay, so this last one is not there. Okay, and we have A, B, C, D, E. Some people. Okay, so now what we need to do? We have a values which is given as 9, 11, 15, 10, 11, then 12, 9, dash. 10, 9, again there is a dash, 11, 14, 11, 7, and last one is 14, 8, 12, 7 and 8. Now in this problem you can see that they have not given any values in this particular cell, right? M2 to C, this cell there is dash, M3 to A, this cell there is dash. That means this is the restriction. The restriction which is saying that we should not allocate this particular cell to anyone. Okay, we cannot allocate to this particular cell to anyone, or we cannot assign this particular cell to anyone. That's what the restriction they are saying. That's why it is called as a restricted problems. So whenever such kind of restricted problems will come, you have to assume this value either infinity. You can mention this value as infinity, or you can mention this value with big M, right? Big M stands for a very big value, right? So like that you can understand as M. But at the same time, so once you understand this, I mean, if you either reflect that dash is equal to M or infinity, then remaining process is same. We need to apply the Hungarian algorithm. Okay, only the thing that now what we need to understand, this is not a balance assignment problem, because number of columns are 5 and number of rows are only 4, right? So to first we should convert this unbalanced assignment problem to balanced assignment problem. So how we'll do it? We need to have one extra dummy row, because rows are less, na? So we'll add one dummy machine. Dummy machine number 5. Okay, so this is M5, and all the cost inside this will be 0 0 0 0. So we'll do this conversion, and then the proper problem, the solution is nothing but as usual the way we used to solve. So now first is row reduction. The first step is row reduction. So in row reduction, find out the minimum value in this. So minimum is 9 itself. So this will be 0, this is 2, this is 6, this is 1, this is 2. Then in the next, this is infinity, okay? So it is very big value. So the lowest is 9. So this is 3, this is 0, this is, we will write it as infinity. Then this is 9, no? This is 1, this is 0. Then next is, again here it is infinity. So what is the minimum? 7. 7 means here 4, here 7, here 4, here 0. Next, the minimum is again 7. So this is 7, this is 1, this is 5, this is 0, this is 1. And the last row, no change because all are zeros. So this is. So we have finished with row reduction, right? Now the next step we have to go for step 2, that is column reduction. So when we will go for column reduction, yeah, so column reduction, here 0 is there, so no change. Yeah, sometimes it should not look as 8. You should not get confused with 8. So it's better practice to write it as M only. Okay, then this is 7, this is 0. Then again 0 is there, so there won't be any change. In third also, because in all the columns you have 0, right? So there won't be any change column wise. So you need to write it as it is 7, 5, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 0, and the last one is it 2, right? Huh. 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, right? So this is done. Now what we have to do? We have to do on this table, we have to do allocations or assignment. So we'll do allocation. Now scan row wise scanning. In the first row itself there is a 0. So assign that 0. Cancel that row, sorry, column. Then second row, there are 2 zeros, leave it. Third row, there is single 0, so assign it and cancel the column. Fourth row, again single 0, so assign it, cancel the column. Fifth row, there are 2 zeros, so leave it. Now go for column wise. First column is cancelled. Second column, there are 2 zeros, leave it. Third column, there is single 0, so allocate it and cancel the column, row. So we have cancelled. Now next columns are cancelled. Now go against row wise. Now in the first row there is no 0. In the second row there is single 0. So allocate it and cancel the column. Now no need of any further these ones because there is no further zeros. And now find out the allocation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 allocations and number order of matrix is also 5. Therefore, the final answer or final allocations assignments are right. There is no need to go for reduce step number 4 because already we are getting the answer. So write down the final answer. So the final answer, machine 1 assigned to A with the cost is equal to 9. Machine 2 allocate to B, again the cost is equal to 9. Machine 3 allocate to E with cost equal to 7. Machine 4 allocate to D with the cost equal to 7. And machine 5, which is dummy, right? Dummy machine, we have just added for this one. So always the dummy row will be having cost 0, so it will not affect anything. But machine 5 is allocated to C with cost is equal to 0. If we do the addition of this all, we'll get the addition as 32. Right? 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 14, 32. So this will be your final answer. So in this problem, what we understood that there are some restricted cells. right? Those restricted cells should not get allocated. So if you put it dash or 0, as 0 means it will be least value. So we will try to allocate it, but we should not put 0 over there. We should put it as infinity or big M, and then it should not get allocated. So this is with respect to the restricted problems.